Have you ever wondered how to improve your golf game without changing your swing? Well, stick around as I've got 3 ways that a GPS watch can instantly make you a better golfer. And you don't want to miss the last one, it's a real game changer. Today I'm showing you the GolfBuddy Aim W12, rated as the best GPS golf watch for 2023 by MyGolfSpy and Golf Monthly. If you're new to golf GPS watches, this is the perfect one to get you started. Let's have a look and find out why this watch could help you improve your golf.
First up, this watch is all about giving you instant information. Look at your wrist and you'll know exactly how far you are from the hole. It's really easy and convenient. What I like about GPS watches is you get detailed yardages to the front, middle and back of the green. But why is that important? Imagine you're hitting an approach shot and you only know the distance to the middle of the green. You're taking a bit of a gamble, especially if the pin is at the front or back. Hitting it too short or too far can result in difficult putts or even costly mistakes like landing in a bunker. Also, sometimes in the summer, when it's harder to stop the ball on the green, I might need to know the distance to the front so that I can allow the ball to run onto the flag. By knowing the exact distance to the front of the green, I can select the right club and make a more precise approach.
Secondly, this GolfBuddy GPS watch helps you navigate hazards. Knowing how far you are from trouble helps you make smarter decisions.
You might have a hole where you could potentially reach the green from your second shot in one. But there's a sneaky water hazard right in front of the green, or maybe bunkers guarding the front. The GolfBuddy W12 with its course overview and full colour touchscreen display gives you the exact distances to these hazards. By knowing the precise distance to the bunker, I could choose the right club, setting me up for an easier next shot. Now, before we get to the final point, let's take a deeper look at what makes this watch special. It comes preloaded with 40,000 golf courses, so it's bound to have yours covered. It's got a 10-hour battery life that's lasted me through 2 full rounds of golf and even tracks your shot distance. Want to switch things up? It's got interchangeable watch straps dependent on your style, and I really like the charger as it's really simple and easy to use. Plus, as it's waterproof, it works fine in the rain, helpful in the UK, and it also adjusts slope and even gives you flyovers of holes before you play them. Alright, the moment you've been waiting for, the game-changing feature of this watch, Green Undulation. This amazing feature helps you understand the slopes on the green, guiding you to aim for the best spot. This is where the GolfBuddy W12 really sets itself apart from other GPS watches. Green Undulation on this watch gives you that precision by showing you exactly how the green slopes. This is especially helpful if you haven't played a course before, or if you've got greenkeepers at your club that try to stitch you up with their tough pin positions.
No more second guessing, no more hoping for the best. With Green Undulation, you'll know exactly where to aim on the green for the best possible outcome. It's like having a roadmap to the pin, right on your wrist. So there we have it, it's the GolfBuddy Aim W12. It's an amazing GPS golf watch and one that will definitely improve your game. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. And if you're still not sure about GPS watches, you should probably watch this video next. I'll catch you in the next one.